going to use this to apply tire dressing. This is an HVLP sprayer. Again, it's a budget one. It was just over 30 bucks. This is a gravity-fed 1/4 inch MPT. And it comes with two nozzles, 1.4 and 1.7 millimeter. And it's got a 600 cc reservoir. Anyways, let's see what we got. Trying to do this one-handed. Okay, here we got a reservoir. And we got the actual gun. Okay, there's some weight to this. This thing's heavy. There's like a kilo or a couple pounds. Comes assembled. It's got one of the reservoirs on it. If you can see that, it's the 1.4. And it's got an adjuster for, I guess, the volume of the liquid and the air volume and liquid volume. Spring loaded. It's definitely not a pro sprayer, but I think it'll do the trick for what we're doing. And it comes with some tools. Comes with the other sprayer. This is the 1.7. Oh, it comes with 3. Contrary to what it said on the box, it comes with 3. 1.4, 1.7, and a 2.0. Nice. Comes with a toothbrush. 4 to 5 dentists recommend this HVLP. Some tools, extra parts, a strainer, and a manual. Comes with an English parts list. Interesting. I'm going to test out my new sprayer. I've got McGuire's hyper dressing installed. I've got a very narrow fan, kind of pinpoint. See how it works. Oh, very nice.